how to fix Lazada return pickup failed. If you're getting an error message or a message that says on Lazada that says return pickup failed. Now this often happens if there is no return needed, because the most common reason is that the seller has decided that the item isn't worth the cost of return shipping. In this case, your refund will be processed and you can keep the item, and you can check your message within the app for confirming this. It could also be a courier issue, which means the courier might have failed to pick up the item, and this can be due to missed schedule, no contact, or an internal error. It could also be a dispute case. After a certain number of failed attempts, Lazada's system might automatically open a dispute case for your return. Now what you can do? The first is you can simply try to look for notifications or messages within your Lazada account to see if you have received any messages regarding the processed item. You can also wait and reschedule, because sometimes a new pickup will be scheduled automatically, or else you can try to contact the customer support. So you can come to the account tab over here and try to go to the settings icon and try to contact the help support team. That is all for today's video. I hope the video helped you. Thanks for watching, and to subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.